In this video, I will show you how to download videos from YouTube legally so you can watch them later offline on your phone, laptop, or tablet. First, open YouTube and select the video you want to download. Under the video player, you should see a download button with a small arrow pointing downward. Click this button and choose the quality or resolution you want for the download. After selecting the quality, simply confirm the download and YouTube will save the video for offline viewing. One important thing you need to know is that this feature requires YouTube Premium because downloading videos officially is part of the Premium subscription. However, this is still one of the best and safest ways to save videos if you want to watch them later without internet access, for example during a flight, while traveling, or in places with weak connection. The biggest advantage of this method is that everything works directly inside YouTube itself, so you do not need any suspicious programs, browser extensions, or risky download websites. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.